Hey, mister! That was a killer catch, man. Totally wicked. Could I have the ball back?
Oh, this? Here.
Thanks. You want to play ball?
No, thank you. I am feeding the pigeons.
That's cool.
What are you doing?
Feeding the pigeons.
You do that too much, you know what you get? Fat pigeons. It's a line from Mary Poppins. I love that movie. You ever see it?
No.
Well, there's this guy who's utterly a banker, and he doesn't have time for his family, or living, or anything. And Mary Poppins, she comes down from the clouds, and she shows him what's important. Fun, flying kites, all that stuff. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
What?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Utterly fantabulous word, huh? It means, great, wonderful, gnarly, peachy keen. It's a cute movie. Maybe not everyone's thing, but Dick Van Dyke's British accent defies belief. Oh, it's a jolly holiday with you, Mary Poppins. Cute. Okay. So what's the matter?
What do you mean?
What's the matter? I know something's wrong. I mean, look at you. Sitting there moping. It isn't like you.
No. Perhaps it isn't. I don't know what's wrong, but you're right. Something is the matter. When they captured me, imprisoned in their box, I had just one thought. Revenge. By the time I freed myself, my original captor had gone the way of mortals, and I took my vengeance on his son. It felt fine, I suppose, but it didn't feel as satisfying as I had expected. In the interim, my dream world had fallen apart. I needed my tools, long since stolen and scattered. One by one, I found them. Eventually, I found them. The pouch was relatively easy. To regain the helmet, I challenged a demon, dared the hordes of hell, faced down Lucifer himself. That left only the ruby. The ruby was... a human had been using it. I hate to think what toll it must have taken on his mind, on his soul. We fought in dreams. The stone, no longer mine, was sucking me into its fabric. It was... terrible. And, thinking it was my life he was crushing, he destroyed the ruby. He destroyed it! It freed me! More than that, it freed everything of me that was in the stone. I got it all back. I was more powerful than I had been in eons. I returned the human to the madhouse. You see, until then I'd been driven. I'd had a true quest, a purpose beyond my function, and then, suddenly, the quest was over. I felt drained, disappointed, let down. Does that make sense? I had been sure that as soon as I had everything back, I'd feel good. But inside, I felt worse than when I started. I feel like nothing. There, you asked. I'm sorry. Maybe I don't have an answer.
Have you finished?
Yes.
You could have called me,
I didn't want to worry you.
I don't believe it. Let me tell you something, Dream, and I'm only going to say this once, so you'd better pay attention. You are utterly the stupidest, most self-centered, appallingest excuse for an anthropomorphic personification on this or any other plane. An infantile, adolescent, pathetic specimen. Feeling all sorry for yourself because your little game is over and you haven't got the balls to go and find a new one. I don't believe this, Dream. You're as bad as Desire. Or worse. Didn't it occur to you that I'd be worried silly about you?
I didn't think...
That's exactly it. You didn't think. You lummox. You overgrown, bubble-headed... Oh, give me strength.
Wow, another killer catch. You're as mean a ball player as your friend here.
He's not my friend. He's my brother. And he's an idiot.
Just feeding the birds.
Look, I can't stay here all day. I've got work to do. You can come with me, or you can stay here and sulk. I don't mind either way.
I'll come with you, I suppose.
Don't do me any favours.
So, hey, Fox. You want a soda? Could I see you again?
Sure, Franklin. I'll see you again. Soon.
Okay. Hey, how'd you know my name's Franklin?